Good morning, good guys. Tonight we're gonna draw Dwane Bramage. What? This poor fellow got caught in a horrible accident, leaving him with the IQ of a rock. He used to be a construction worker, and for unknown reason, he joined the Sinistras because of his that huge crack in his skull. He doesn't really have that much intelligence. Well, he only lost to Wasabi, Big Star, and Gagachog. Truth be told, I've been meaning to draw this guy. Let's face it, he's earned this title. Anyway, I hope to see more of this guy in action. I plan to put him in the championship, and, well, maybe he'll gain his intelligence back. Let me just put the shrink in his skull, and there. And done.